Let's pivot to the legal side because of this is a major factor when it comes to the risks involved in this line of work.
Yes, so especially here in the Philippines, where there seem to be so many gray areas. So let's clear things up, Doc. Is it clear under our current laws, is sex work legal or illegal?
Actually, I'm going to be very careful regarding this question because I'm not a lawyer, so I'm not going to provide a legal advice. But from a psychological standpoint, no, kapag may mga bagay kasi na sabihin na natin nag-exist because of fear, no, may mga bagay like line of work na nag-exist because of fear, because of stigma, and because of, parang fear of being judged. Usually, it leaves people to be vulnerable. So ngayon, pag vulnerable sila, syempre mas takot sila na mag-seek ng help. Mas takot sila na parang humingi ng tulong. No? Natatakot sila maaaring i-deny nila or itago nila kahit na nahihirapan na sila or kahit na may mga health concerns na sila. Kasi nga, takot sila na ma-judge, takot sila na maparusahan, most of all. No? And dito natin makikita, no, ang importante, siguro more than that question, mas importante yung tinatawag nating yung harm reduction question. No? Paano ba natin matutulungan o mapoprotektahan itong mga tao na to from exploitation, from violence, from psychological harm? Kasi whether we agree, no, whether kung ano man yung agreement natin regarding this topic, no, alam ko na we all agree na walang tao na deserve na masaktan, na abuse, no, and ma-exploit or ma-dehumanize.
Or even ma-discriminate.
Yep.
Yeah, pero yun nga, you're right, you're not in the position to say if it's legal or illegal, but makikita naman natin na it's still happening Wala namang, dinig ka na bang nakulong unless talagang yung nahuhuli ka in public doing these lewd acts. Pero like yung sa mga sex workers, wala. Talagang,
nai-release rin sila.
I think, kasi naman, since time immemorial, parang pa ni Jesus, meron na mga sex workers di ba?
Actually po, parang mas prone lang sila na mahuli kapag meron ng existence or parang sobrang kita na yung violence, sobrang kita na yung harm or exploitation. Pero regarding kapag ginagawa or nangyayari yung activity na to, wala siya. Pero safe siya. Pero ito po yung parang yung nuance dyan kasi mas prone sila to nakikitago na parang hindi makita yung violence, hindi makita yung na-exploited sila during that time. So, yun po.